Wait, stop. There's definitely something wrong here. Cripple and Shorty, where are your Team Spirit shirts? Don't you know what today is?
We forgot them.
Don't you know what today is? It's Team Spirit. Wear your Team Spirit shirt. Idiots. Let me just use an example. Even as tiny scarf that says Cowboys. Cowboys. How hard? Get out of my way. Turn me back around. Go towards them. Stop. Dumbo. Get me out of this classroom.
Master, you know what? You're a bully, so I'm not going to push you anymore.
Fine, I don't need you. My toes. Help, I need to be pushed.
Oh, Miss West.
Oh, I'll push you all the way to the dean. Oh no, wait.